In this video, we show you how the worms in our breeder bins feel about coconut. Turns out they adore it, and pineapple too. We start with the story of where the coconut came from. A climber up on a tree, lowering them down. Those are the same ones we later open up and feed to the worms. Of the coconuts that come down from the tree, we take what we need. The dry ones, the ones past their prime, they go to the breeder bins instead of the trash. It is a small fraction of what gets harvested. The worms get the leftovers. These boxes you see in the video are our worm breeder bins. This is where we grow the worm population. And when a bin is full, each one produces around 4 buckets of vermicompost, 20-liter buckets each. We usually stack them, put another box on top, and the worms migrate up on their own. These are our own bins, evolved over time. We also sell these setups if you're interested. And if you're looking for something cheaper, we have ideas for that too. As the video progresses, you will see us look into most of our worm bins. Into each one, we have placed a piece of coconut meat. All breeder bins are currently at full capacity. You will notice the manure is already processed into vermicompost. You can see the texture in the close-ups. We usually give the worms their food waste on one side of the bin. The coconut meat, we placed it in the center. And it has created a concentration of worms right under the coconut. They seem to really like it. Since this is a longer video, we can also talk a bit about the worms. These are Eisenia fetida, or also known as red wigglers. Not the kind of worms you would usually find in your soil. They particularly love organic matter, manure, food waste, cardboard waste, and they are great fans of coffee waste. So why have a worm bin like this? To produce vermicompost. And what is vermicompost? It is the processed material after the worms have eaten the organic matter, worm excrement, and it is the gold of compost in the hierarchy of compost. A very fertile material, very well balanced. You can use it directly as it is, no dilution needed. We have had excellent results in our raised beds and especially in our seedling trays. Seeds love it. They grow really well. Compared to other soils and composts we have used in the past, we get way better results with vermicompost. At the end of the video, I will show you some of those results, what it looks like in seedling trays, and how our raised beds look after a layer of vermicompost. Thanks for watching. We sell worms, we sell vermicompost. The links below have everything you need. If you have a steady supply of coffee waste, we are interested. Reach out through the website. More worm bin builds, harvests and lessons on the channel. This is where the journey continues. See you in the next one.